In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Microsoft Teams Planner. Let's dive right in, starting with opening your preferred web browser. Once you have your browser up, you're going to want to search for Microsoft Teams. Finding the correct link in your search results is essential. Click on the official Microsoft Teams link to navigate to the Teams website. If you already have Microsoft Teams installed as a desktop application, you're welcome to use that too. Now that you're on the Teams platform, it's time to log in with your credentials. Ensure you enter the correct email and password. If it's your first time or if prompted, you might be asked to verify your account through a security code sent to your email or as a text message. Follow those prompts carefully, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Teams dashboard. Now you want to navigate to the specific team and channel that contains the Planner tab. Sometimes this might not be immediately visible, so take your time to find it. If you haven't added the Planner app to your channel yet, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Head over to the channel where you want the Planner and look for the plus sign, affectionately known as the Add a New Tab sign. Once you click that, you're prompted with several app options. Choose Planner from this list. Now, once you have the Planner tab open, you have a choice to either create a new plan or select an existing one if you want to centralize your tasks in one planner. After making your choice, hit the Save button to lock it in place. After this setup, find the bucket that best categorizes the task you want to add and click on the plus Add Task option. This is your cue to enter a name for your task. Keep this name simple, but descriptive enough to understand at a glance. Once you've settled on a name, press Enter. This initiates the creation of your task within the planner. But wait, there's more. You'll want to flesh out your task by adding more details to keep your team informed and aligned. To do this, click on the task name, which opens up the Task Details pane. Here, you have several fields and options at your disposal. You can specify a due date to keep yourselves on schedule, assign the task to a team member by selecting their name from the drop-down list, and even prioritize it by choosing a priority level. Add some notes or a checklist to clarify what the task entails, and, if necessary, attach any relevant files or documents to aid your team. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and detailed a task in Microsoft Teams Planner. This tool is invaluable for keeping your team organized and on top of their responsibilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these instructions helpful as you streamline your project management process.